Hey guys, it's Alien here, and welcome to another Roblox video. Today we are playing Sweet Facility. We're with V, we're with Taylor Foxes, we're with MLK, short for Martin Luther King. Nah, I'm just joking. And we're playing with Vicky again, if you know her. Dang it, no! Let me get a quick crate. Okay, I got a quick crate. No! I'm sad. Okay. No, I'm sad. I'm sad. Sometimes I camp. I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry if you hate camping, but sometimes I camp. Oh, you shouldn't have said that. Because I'm already here.
I'm not in the middle.
Oh, I found someone in the middle at least. Oh, shoot.
In the middle.
Die, Moo Moo. Okay. No truce.
No, they're actually all, see?
No, I'm just telling I'm okay something. Hey, no. Dang it.
No.
Die. Hey, Vivi. Come here, Vivi. Die. Okay, now it's time to get Chow. Chow. Hey, Chow. Oh, okay. I heard you. Why is your volume up? It's so loud. No. Chow. Oh, yay. I got someone. Vivi did not get saved, but I shouldn't have said that because. Oh, hey, Vivi. Okay. Let's get you. Oh my goodness. Stop saving each other. Vivi. Perfect. I know where other people are. Chow! Okay. Nope. I know you're here. I know you're here somewhere. Milky! Okay, bye, Vivi. Come here, Chow. I know you're gonna be up. Let's get you first, Milk. Let's get you. Okay. Hey, V. Have fun with your Robux. Hey, Moo Moo. No, I need to get Chow. Like one day. You're going to the corner. Chow. Dang it. Instead, I got milk. At least I got milk. Got you again. No! Stop it! They keep saving each other. Got you. Chow. Okay, there you go. Die! Okay. Hey, wait. Vivi? Time to wake up, Vivi. No, Vivi. Hey, Vivi. Got you. Milky, milk, 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 milk. Milky, milk, milk, milk. I finally got you again. I know you're near, so I'm just gonna. Um. Hi, V. Joe! Okay, let's get this person first. Hi, Milky. Hi, Milky. Bye, Milky. See you tomorrow. Okay, now that they're dead. Ha ha ha. Oh wait, okay. No, Vivi, Vivi, Vivi! She was almost dead. Ciao, ciao. Ciao, ciao, ciao. And the milk is gonna die. Now it's all up to you to save everyone. Okay, cause I got Chow. You heard that? That was the sound of me. Now it's time to look for you. Be savage at beast, be savage at beast. I saw you, I saw you. I saw you, I saw you, I saw you. I saw you, I saw you. I heard that you're in Starlila's video. Never mind. No, I'm not doing a challenge. Okay? Okay, 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 okay. It's not easy for me. Not too easy. It's not too easy. You guys kept saving each other. Who cares? Stop being a rage. Okay. No. Okay, guys, I think that'll be the end of this video. I'm sorry you guys don't get to see the second part because I'm running out of time, but I'll see you guys next time. Bye.